Alright, guys, see about Peter Motopsa. So the last story now we work on this aside navigation. So this story now we'll enter this top header and we'll go enter this feature text and where they display. And if time permit us, we'll see this got miracles for you. So more jump to the codes. So that do I'll come my HTML here. Then just after this aside, you get I'll come here, create section. So this section inside now we'll get header. So the header now it go house this h1. So I just say I need to give a class F. No. I just say h1 the fork. Then we'll go create this nav. So nav ul li times 2. So we'll create anchor tag. We'll go back to our ion icons and search this one. So we need this guy. Outline. We'll use the outline. So I'll copy and I'll come back, I'll put on here. I'll just copy this thing sharp here. So I'll put this one here, then we'll search for the menu. You get that is this menu. So what we'll do, I'll come here, I'll say menu. This is a sharp one. So I'll copy. Then I'll paste them here. Alright. So I'll go my code. Sorry, my browser refresh. Okay. See it too. It should for this small place here, then the fork is somewhere here. So before I write anything, we'll just study this one sharp. So I'll come here now. I'll just say dot wrapper dot landing and section. Then we'll set the width to 100%. Then I'll target this one again. The header. Set padding to 0, top and bottom, then 20 pixel left and right. Then the box sizing, we'll set the box size into border box and display will be flex. We'll see justify the content and we'll say space between. Then align items to center. We'll set the height to 80 pixel. I'll duplicate. Oh, sorry, I'll just copy this one. I'm out of type plenty. We'll target the H1 inside the header. We'll first set the color to white. Then font family will be Poppins. On this font size, I might just copy and join. So the font size now going to be 1.2 M. You see how? So if I go my code now, see how so we'll get the level for here. Suppose find sky font so that more joy the Poppins. Or more check. if you use Meriwether, I'll copy and first, I'll see. Serif. So if we go back, refresh, okay, then we set text transform to capitalize. So capitalize the first letter of each word. Thing does set now. Alright, so we'll target the nav ULLI. We'll see target anchor tag like this. Alright. So inside the LI, we'll go float them to the left, then we set margin left to 10 EM. Then this one color will be white. After we set down to white now, we'll set font size to 1.5 EM. So go back. See ya. Here's here. Still push comma size small, so if we still increase the margin now to like maybe if say like 30. No, not this one. Margin left. Or if we just put margin, top and bottom will be 0, while left and right could be 10. Suppose we work like this now. Okay, don't come outside of it. Most start to 5. Refresh. Okay. I like it like this. So we'll run this one now. What we go do now? We'll run these features then for here now. You get more run these features for here. So what we go do? I'll go my HTML here now. Then I go target after this header or create new div now, content, then inside now create features. Then inside this the feature now, or create this feature. This feature is supposed to be like 3. So I'll just come here first now. Or create empty span. This empty span now, ain't gonna be this yellow thing. Because I want animate, I make I do one like that. You get, if not, for few use maybe before or after the target for CSS bits. I'll make an empty there. Then for the purpose of animation, I will go wrap. We'll go wrap each one, which is new orders, and P. I'll just say lorem. So I mean lorem 11. So we could bring out 11 words come outside for us. So we need to duplicate these ones now. You see, duplicate them. So this second one, I feel say got miracles. Why this one go be big tank. Big tank, my title. Big tank double south. Alright. So if I refresh now, see it is somewhere here be black. You get. So I'll go back to my code, then more CSS arrange this in one kind. So do we go target this section. We'll copy each section here. Then dot contents, landing section contents. Okay. Then go target dot features. We go see target dot feature and go target span. All right. So if inside content now, I'll set position to relative. Then we go see me the width inherits. So this inherit now, so they call the inherit where this 100% for here. So after I'll do this one now, I'll set display to flex. Then we'll see the color be white. So this white now will just affect everything for here because now white now, but this one's for here too now. You get. So what I'll do, I'll come these features now. We'll say font family Mada. I already call Mada for that my link for the HTML file. So now they use for here now. So we'll set the width to 25% because we want divided into 3. You get 1 divided into 3 section. So out of this whole 100, or they give you 100% now. This one will be 25 now. This one that percentage. While this other side that will be another percentage again. You get. So we'll set these features now. A percentage side now to be 25%. Then we'll set display to flex and we justify the content to space evenly. So flex direction will be column. Then we go align items. We align items to center. We'll set position to relative. Then we'll comp feature here. So this feature now, before I'm gonna just see the filter will get here. Okay. So this feature will set the width to 200 pixels and transform. We go rotate minus 90 type. Minus 90 degree. Yes, yeah. Minus 90 degree, then transform origin bottom. Okay. Yes, yeah. Alright. So what I could do, we're going to space that in. What the target they go first? I will come out to that one. I'll come the span here. I'll set display block. Then margin bottom could be 20 pixel. Then height will be 2 pixel. Background color. Background color will be, we don't use them before. This one. Background color will be this pink. And I be shocking pink self and all know. So we'll go set position to absolute while bottom we'll give her like 50 pixel. More refresh. Okay, never sure. I'm gonna inspect this element. Do this up here. So that's my element mask. So wrap. Hmm. Hmm. 1.5 content. Position relative with inherit. What the one will give features. Feature. Justify content space evenly. Set the bottom to 80 pixel. Features. Okay. Set height to 100 view height. It does space on for us. Then 1000 pixel. Okay. I remove this bottom ad. So we'll leave on. That means with the set height to 1000 pixel here. So we'll come these features now. Just after this width here, we'll set height 1000 pixel. Then bottom will be 80 pixel. Okay. You see it all sets. Alright, so the span inside here, we'll see our feature. Remove the width, okay. We'll set display block margin border 20 width. We'll not set width. So if I set the width here, it's like 20 pixel. Okay. See they come out. So I'll just copy this width. I'll come back to my code here, target the span. They'll set the width to 20 pixel. It's not like 50 now. So sorry, 20. The height is like maybe 52. So I'll say the increase. Maybe. But I'm leave out for the 2 sha. Okay. So we need to reduce all these things there now. So that I go do I'll target that wrap. I'll say overflow hidden. Then dot wrap, target each one. Font size could be 15 pixel. Then margin bottom. We set margin bottom to 4 pixel. So space them from the content. So by the time we do make one smaller, we will appreciate the design. I'll just duplicate this one, then we'll target the paragraph. We'll set font size to 10 pixel and line height could be 1.5 m. While the color will be A8 ash for the front. Okay, so if I refresh this here, we don't get this guy. So this one now, so is supposed long during the animation, but we feel leave it like this, so then when the animation time which we increase them more, we feel just design it like that now, so that at least we'll see what it is up later on. So I'll come here, I'll cancel this one, then I'll target the nth shade to the second shade, then target the span height something like 50 pixel. Okay, if I refresh, something is on the longer be, and now it don't match with we do here. So this video too long now, man, not to drag and go far. Those are our errors so we'll get, and I just make it be like this. If not, if for short pass. So, but anyhow, any questions, just ask for the comment section, and I go try my best to answer you. The next video we go talk about these GOT miracles here now. Go see how to design, and then if time permits us now, we'll design this other sizing for this side here. So anyhow, I see you all from the website now. Big thank you. Like the video, subscribe, and tell everybody where to get all the nice stuff. I'll see you. Thank you.